Understanding all set in English. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a common and versatile phrase in the English language, all set. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. At its core, the phrase, all set, generally means being prepared, ready, or in a state where no further action is required. It can be used in various contexts, which we will delve into shortly. Imagine you're about to start a race and you're asking yourself if you have everything you need: shoes tied, number pinned, and mindset ready. If all these boxes are checked, then you are all set. 1. Restaurant scenario. After paying your bill at a restaurant, the waiter might ask, "Are you all set?" This means, are you ready to leave? Do you need anything else? 2. At a shop. When you finish purchasing items and the cashier has given you your change and receipt, they might say, "You're all set," indicating that the transaction is complete. 3. Preparation. Before a trip, your friend might ask, "Are you all set for our trip tomorrow?" Here, they're asking if you're prepared and have packed everything. 4. At work. Before starting a presentation, a colleague might ask, "Is everyone all set?" Meaning, is everyone ready to begin? While the primary meaning of all set revolves around readiness or completion, there are some nuances to be aware of. 1. Seeking confirmation. All set can be a quick way to ask someone if they're ready or if they have everything they need. 2. Reassurance. Saying, "You're all set," can be a way of reassuring someone that they've completed all the necessary steps or that they're good to go. 3. Informal tone. The phrase has an informal tone, making it more suitable for casual conversations rather than very formal settings. There you have it. The phrase, all set, is a handy one to know and can be used in a variety of situations to convey readiness, completion, or assurance. We hope this explanation has been clear and that you're now all set to use this phrase with confidence in your English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!